Alright, just got the package in for the cover for the actual hot burner because it's gonna rain. So this is how it comes packed in. All right, we're gonna set it up right now and wait for the rain. There it is, waiting for the rain. All right, it rained last night. If you can see, this thing survived really good. If you're gonna buy something like this, it took me a bit to get the top going, but once you get it, it's very simple. So hope you guys enjoy the video.